Right now, we're seeing a notable uptick in investing sentiment, clocking in at plus 0.256, which is a significant anomaly compared to our historical baseline. This spike suggests a fresh wave of optimism we haven't seen recently. With our API, you get real-time sentiment data, including momentum and semantic clusters, all in one request. Imagine leveraging this insight to adjust your trading strategies or portfolio allocations. For example, if you're developing an automated trading system, you could set triggers based on sentiment shifts like this, enhancing your responsiveness to market dynamics. Dive deeper and see how this data can power your decisions. Check out our documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Let's build something impactful together.